a fatty brisket.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're doing up some traditional corned beef and cabbage sandwich. You gotta check this out. All right, we already had our corned beef. We got some left over, which usually doesn't happen, right? But that's why we buy 4 or 5 for the great Green Day that we all celebrate every year, right? Today is the day we believe in leprechauns. So this is what we got left over. We took some slices of cooked corned beef, put them on the pan like that, on the charcoal grill opposite the hot coals, and we're going to heat it up. We also added some cabbage and taters, right? Part of the leftover experience. Now, hit it with your favorite seasoning. We're going to add just a touch of SPG because we can, right? And we'll start heating it up. Oh, yeah. So, it doesn't take long, right? Oh, take a look at that. Now, we're going to take some of that cabbage and taters, load them on the sandwich or the corned beef, and then we're going to take some fresh sliced Swiss cheese, couple slices at least on top, put the cover on and let it melt. Oh, in a miracle of time, take a look at that. Melted Swiss cheese. Oh, cabbage, taters on brisket. Whew. Now we have some buttered rye bread. You gotta use rye bread, right? And it's buttered on both sides. So we're gonna take that cheese melt and brisket there, load it on the bread, and then top it off with another slice of buttered rye. Oh, yeah. Put the cover on, toast it up. Need I say more? I don't. Now, watch the fire, of course. You flip it. You just want to toast it, that's all. Basically, it's already done, right? But you want to get that toasted rye bread just right. All right, this is the part. Oh, man. Lord have mercy. Now that slight smoky flavor of the charcoal grill gets into this sandwich. You can't do this in an ordinary kitchen. You got to get to your grill. Now set it up the way you like. Your favorite mustard. Whatever. This is like I said, we do 4 corned beefs every season just so we have enough for leftovers. Now, this is the part, of course, where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you. And trust me, they're not apologizing. You got to do this yourself. To get the recipe, head on over to our website. Whoa, while you're there, sign up a chapter. We'd be proud to have you. Oh, man. Kidding me? There's not much more to say. This is perhaps the best sandwich on the planet, at least for now.
That's part of the fun. Awesome, man. BBQ Pit Boys for life. For life, baby.
Good.
Cheers.
Cheers to you, brother.
Sure.
And sister.
And a shout out to the Irish, of course. Otherwise, this wouldn't be possible, right? We love Ireland. And our chapters in Ireland. Thumbs up. This is outrageous.